Ever wondered why the streets are filling up with silent, sleek machines? What if the car you drive could hug the planet and your wallet at the same time? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover how electric vehicles are reshaping transportation, cutting emissions, and powering a new era of clean mobility. Buckle up. First, let's demystify the term. EV stands for electric vehicle, a car powered entirely by electricity stored in a high-capacity battery. Unlike conventional cars that burn gasoline, EVs use an electric motor to turn the wheels, delivering instant torque and a whisper-quiet ride. This simple swap of fuel and combustion for electrons is the core of the revolution. Inside an EV, the battery supplies power to an electric motor, which converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. Modern batteries use lithium-ion cells, the same chemistry that powers smartphones, but scaled up to deliver hundreds of miles of range. A regenerative braking system captures energy when you slow down, feeding it back into the battery and extending efficiency. Switching to electric power cuts tailpipe emissions dramatically. In many regions, the electricity comes from a growing mix of renewable sources, making the total carbon footprint of an EV up to 70% lower than a gasoline counterpart. Moreover, as grids get greener, the advantage only widens, turning each mile into a step toward a cleaner planet. Owners also enjoy lower running costs. Electricity is cheaper per mile than gasoline, and EVs have fewer moving parts, which means less maintenance. Over a typical 5-year lifespan, drivers can save thousands of dollars on fuel and service, making the upfront price more palatable. One common concern is range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge. Yet modern EVs now boast ranges of 300 miles or more on a single charge, and fast-charging networks can replenish 80% of the battery in under 30 minutes. With expanding charging infrastructure, the worry is rapidly fading. Charging an EV is simpler than you might think. You can plug into a standard home outlet for a slow overnight charge, or use dedicated home wall boxes for a quicker top-up. Public fast chargers, often found at malls and highways, deliver high-power bursts that restore a substantial portion of the battery in minutes. The evolution doesn't stop at cars. Automakers are experimenting with solid-state batteries that promise even higher energy density, ultra-fast charging, and safer operation. Meanwhile, autonomous driving features are being integrated, turning electric vehicles into smart mobility hubs that can communicate with traffic systems and reduce congestion. Around the world, governments are incentivizing EV adoption with tax credits, rebates, and infrastructure investments. China, Europe, and the United States lead the charge, but emerging markets are catching up fast. As charging stations proliferate, electric mobility is becoming a universal reality. So what have we learned? Electric vehicles are more than a trend. They're a catalyst for cleaner air, cheaper travel, and innovative technology. As the world shifts towards sustainable solutions, your next ride could be an EV. If you enjoyed this quick dive, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the future of transportation.